Hi everybody, and welcome to a very special class today in which we're going to integrate the wall. So I will guide you through a full body Pilates class with lots of exercises in which the wall either supports you or makes the exercise a little bit more challenging. Make sure you have something soft underneath you in front of the wall that doesn't move or slide away during the exercises. And when you got that, let's jump straight into the warm-up. We start in a standing position. And we're gonna start with leaning against the wall, so make sure to bring the heels as close as possible to the wall. Keep the knees straight, but don't lock them. So give the knees a little slightly bent, relaxing the arms and shoulders. And then just start with closing the eyes so you can better focus on your body. You can better connect to the wall. So just taking some time to observe which body parts are touching the wall, especially which parts of your spine are touching the wall. Maybe you can observe that not all spine parts are touching the wall, and that's fine because the spine is not straight. It's built up like an S shape. Observing how the body feels today, how the muscles are feeling, what are the joints doing, what about your breath? With each breath, start to connect even more with your body. Arrive in the present moment here. And then let's come back to our Pilates principles. Let's start to breathe in through the nose. Out through pursed lips. Breathe in, finding length in your spine. Breathe out, keep that length. Breathe in. And breathe out, imagine blowing out some birthday candles. Keep breathing like this. Feeling how the wall is supporting you. Finding the length here in the body. Good. Breathe in. And next, when you breathe out, start to connect to your center. So draw the navel in and up. Pulling that imaginary corset a little bit tighter. And the lower part of the spine, the lumbar spine, is coming a little bit closer towards the wall. Breathe in. And breathe out, activate your so-called powerhouse. And with the inhalation, try to keep that activation. Breathe in and out, activate your pelvic floor. Good, when you got that and you're ready for the movement, open up your eyes and step away from your wall. Now let's move to the side and extend one arm. So the arm is almost extended completely. Don't hyperextend your joints. Keep the elbow slightly bent here and then lift up the other arm. Inhale and exhale. Let's go for a side bend to the wall. Keep the feet opened, shoulder width apart. All 10 toes are facing to the front. Now keeping the lower body steady and calm and just moving through the sides of the body here. Exhale to the side. Inhale, coming back to center. Let's go for 4 more here. Good. Make sure this is not happening. And then try to reach the wall with your upper fingertips and coming back to center here. Keep the shoulders away from your ears and enjoy the length here in your lateral flank. Let's go for 1 more. Breathe in, come back to center. And breathe out, turn towards the wall. Bring the hands in front of your shoulders. Spread your fingers and then make sure to step away about 4 or 5 feet length. And then you push the wall away from you. You curl, you round the spine, look to your belly button. And then as you inhale, you move your upper body forward. Keep the heels on the floor and add a little back bend, look up to the sky. Exhale. round. Tuck your tailbone under and look to your belly button, and inhale, open up your chest, slightly stretching the calf muscles, lifting your collarbone, and exhale, round and push the wall away. Good. Keep going in your breathing rhythm. If I'm too fast for you, keep going in your pace. Let's go for 2 more. Rounding and pulling the shoulder blades apart, really enjoying the stretch here in your back muscles. And then you're gonna open up, but with control. Keep the activation in your powerhouse to protect your lower back. And then come back, and we're gonna switch over to the other side. So finding a stable stance with your feet shoulder width apart, lengthening the arm, and then you're gonna inhale, raise the other arm up, and exhale, go for that wonderful side bend. Try to touch the wall with your upper fingertips, and inhale, center. Synchronize the movement with the breath. Work with lots of control and precision here. Don't rush. We don't have any stress here. Good. Feel the lightness which is coming up in your upper body with this wonderful soft stretch. Let's go for 4 more. With each round, try to go a little bit deeper into the stretch. Breathe in through the nose, out the pursed lips. Keeping the pelvis steady and calm. Amazing. And then let's finish the last round. And relax the arms and turn again towards your wall. Now give your legs a little bend here, and then place the hands on the wall, and you just walk down, and you lower your upper body as much as you can, but without rounding your spine. So keep the spine straight and long, and try to bring the upper body parallel to the floor here. Now bring back the activation. So imagine pressing away the wall, keep the shoulders low, activate your powerhouse, pulling the abdominals in. And then when you're ready, you release the right foot, lift the right leg with the inhalation back up, and exhale, release. Keep going like this, 7 more. Now keep the supporting leg slightly bent, and don't open your hip like this. Keep the hips square. Both pelvic bones are facing down to the ground. Good work. Inhale, lift. Squeezing the glutes, activating the muscles at the back of your leg, and release. Good. I think 4 more left. Keep the gaze down on the mat to keep the neck in one extension to the rest of the spine. Ooh, supporting leg is working. When you're done with your last repetition, keep the leg high, and we're gonna pulse the leg up. We're gonna take 5 short breaths in and 5 short breaths out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. And in. And out. Good. Use this fire breath to heat the things up here in your body. Make the blood circulation going. Ooh. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go for the last round here. And as you exhale, stop the movement, bend the leg, bring it back onto the mat, and roll back up vertebra by vertebra. Woo! Shake the supporting leg out if you need to, and then turn back to the side. Amazing. Now we're gonna use the wall to support ourselves with finding the balance. So just bringing the fingertips on the wall here, roll the shoulders back and down, activate your powerhouse, close the rib arches, and when you're ready, giving the knees back the softness here, and then you rise the outer leg to the side, and then you cross your supporting leg, and you're gonna go for a leg lift for the inner thighs. So outer thighs here, and release and lift from the inner thighs. Good. So we inhale and exhale. Good. Now, if you need a little extra challenge, you're gonna add a little calf raise. So as you lift the leg to the side, you're gonna lift the heel and lower. So inhale, lift. The crown of the head is lifting you up to the sky, and exhale, ground the heel. Make sure to press all 5 toes equally into the ground, so keeping the knee above the ankle, don't roll outwards, stay in a perfect alignment here to protect your outer ligaments. Let's go for 2 more like this. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, activate your inner thighs, really turn the leg outwards. Last one. Now keep the leg at the side, keep the heel lifted, and now here's your master challenge. Now bring the fingertips away from the wall and try to find the balance with the deep muscles. Draw the navel in and up, roll the shoulders back and down, and then relax. Woo, amazing. Turn back to the wall, face the wall again. And then we're gonna go for the other side. So hands on the wall, walk down, bring the upper body parallel to the mat, bending the legs here. And then you're gonna lift the left leg back and up. Inhale. And exhale, 7 more like this. Keep the arms long. Keep pressing the wall away from you. Good work here. Think about squeezing the shoulder blades together as if you want to crack an imaginary nut with them. Half time is over. Let's go for 4 more. All the way up without moving the lower back. Keep the upper body steady and calm. Only lift and lower the leg here. Squeezing the glutes. And then hold the leg in the air. And we're gonna pulse and take 5 short breaths in and 5 short breaths out. Use the fire breath to make the exercise a little bit more intense. So in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. Let's go in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out. And out. Woo, let's go for 2 more rounds. Keep the shoulders low, keep the supporting leg bent. You can do this. Think more in length than in height here in the left leg. And then next, when you exhale, stop the movement, bend the leg, bring the foot back onto the mat, roll back down vertebra by vertebra. Woo, my legs start to shake. That was an intense exercise. So let's switch over to the other side, just bringing the fingertips onto the wall. Finding a stable stance, roll the shoulders back and down, close the rib arches, and then when you're ready, we're gonna lift the leg to the side and then cross your supporting leg. Imagine there's a thread attached to your heel, which is turning the leg outwards and which is pulling the heel up. So really make sure to wrap the thigh outwards to get all the power out of your adductors. Inhale and exhale. Amazing. Keep the supporting leg active, which means slightly bend the leg, because when you're here, the muscles are not tensed. When you're here, the quads are working. Good. And then feel free to add the calf raise. So inhale, lift the heel, exhale, lower. It's just an option, so If it's too much, just keep the heel grounded. Feeling the abductors working here and the adductors. So outer thighs and lateral glutes and inner thighs and pelvic floor. Pull the pelvic floor in and up. Ooh. These balance exercises are perfect to strengthen the deep muscles, which are so important for our upright posture, and they support the spine. So super important muscles here. Woo. Let's go for one more, and then find your balance. Keep the heel lifted, keep the leg at the side. Now the master challenge, release the fingers off the wall. Keep the balance, the crown of the head is pulling you up, up, up. Spine is straight, roll the shoulders back and down, amazing work. And then lower it down and shake it out. Ooh, good work. Now here's our last exercise in a standing position. So you're gonna face me and bring the bag here on the wall and slide down as much as you want, as much as you can. So perfect posture would be upper thighs parallel to the mat and knees above the heels. Now, observing which spine parts are touching the wall. Maybe you can realize that there's a little bit of space behind your lumbar spine. That's perfect. So with your exhalation, we're gonna imprint that spine. So you're gonna draw the abdominals in, and the lumbar spine is softly pressing against the wall, and then inhale, release. So exhale, tucking the tailbone under, lengthening the lumbar spine, and inhale, release. So I show you the movement from the side. So exhale, we're gonna lengthen, drawing the abdominals in, and inhale, slightly release. So bringing the spine back into that S shape. Good. Try to relax the glutes as much as possible and to find the power in your abdominals. Ooh, quads are working. Let's go for one more. And then hold it in the imprint position. So the complete spine is touching the wall, except here the cervical spine. Now we're gonna inhale, lift the arms up, and exhale, lower down. If you want more, add the heel lift. So we're gonna lift the left one, exhale, lower down, and inhale, switch and lift the other side. Now breathe. Use your Pilates breath to activate the deep abdominal muscle. Awesome. Keep up that good work. Full body is working here. Ooh, muscles start to shake. Come on. We can do this together. Let's go for two more. Work slowly with control. Inhale all the way up. Imagine you're moving through honey. Really move slowly. Ooh, shake, 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 shake. And the last one together. Inhale, shoulders low. Lift the heel and exhale, lower down. Now bring the hands against the wall. Push yourself away and shake it out. Thank you so much for moving with me. This was my first wall Pilates class, so make sure to write me your feedback in the comments down below. And if you have still some energy left, make sure to check out this free YouTube workout next. See you there.